whole idea of the science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, that's the STEM space, the keyword. What do you see the biggest opportunities lying as a country within the context of that? What are the biggest opportunity for the next generation of young people who are getting in or wanting or thinking of being in part of the STEM ecosystem? What are the bigger opportunities do you see?
Thanks for asking the question, like the opportunities. But before we go to the opportunities, I just want to say one thing, that there are lots and lots of things that we are worried about currently. You know, like how to feed the 9 billion people in 2050. How are we going to sustain this planet, right? We've even started to look at a plan B and going to Mars or find another planet, right? But one thing I want to just everybody who's listening to this is reflect that when you look around you, nature Mother Nature is probably one of the most supreme powers that has already got the answers to all our questions. And I call that, in layman's language, that is biodiversity. So the reason that why I come to Western Australia is when I was studying agriculture, every single professor was coming to the class and saying, how are we going to feed 9 billion people in 2050? It's going to be tough. The water's going down, the resources going down, the population's going up. And then I came across, I was looking for a PhD scholarship and pursue my journey after my master's. And I came across this place called Western Australia. It's got the poorest soils in the world. The nutrients are next to nothing in these soils. Yet we are the custodians of 10% of world's biodiversity. Which means that the plants and the animals you see here has already found a way to deal with the situations which the rest of the planet may be facing in the next 150 years time. And I was just like, oh my goodness, this place has already done it. Custodian of 10% of biodiversity. Nature's already found a way. So let's go and learn from the nature. And that was just the beginning. And even founding the DNA Zoo Australia project that I have done, where I have been building the DNA maps for all the native species, the whole purpose is to kind of decode this knowledge in the language that I speak, which is DNA, and then understand from Mother Nature that how you can actually come around and find solutions. So for giving you an example, and that is the biggest opportunity, biodiversity is our next bioeconomy, but we must pay attention to our surroundings. You're looking for a cure for cancer? How many scientists in this world are looking for? We're looking in model species, which are rats, closely related to us. Marsupial moles don't get cancer. Whales don't get cancer. Horses don't get cancer. Why are we not looking there how Mother Nature has found a way? If you talk about aging or anti-aging solutions, elephant sharks, slowest aging animals on the planet. Why are we not learning from them? There are several examples where Mother Nature's already got a way. We just need to look carefully, and we just need to make sure that we do not lose these very important pieces of knowledge, because we lose one species every 20 minutes. With that species is gone that knowledge forever, which is our biggest opportunity as we move forward, especially for Australia. Australia altogether has got 15% of world's biodiversity right here around us. 87% of those species do not happen to be in any other parts of the planet. So we need to pay attention to this.
Lovely. Yeah. Thank you for that response.